Okay, let's work on Lab 1-1, executing Python code. Now I've already gone through the module and I've downloaded the Python data files from the front matter. I opened up chapter 1 and I have copied the programming.py file into a folder on my computer. Now the folder on my computer, I just called it classwork. You can call it whatever you want, but the key is that you open the folder in VS Code. So you can see here, I have a folder called classwork. That's where I'm going to do all of the work for this lab. I have my programming.py file copied in and I'm ready to go. So step 1, I've opened the source file. Okay. Step 2, save the source file in a directory of your choice and change to that directory. Good, I'm there. Execute the program. So I'm in VS Code. I have a couple ways to do this. One, I can open up the built-in terminal and I can type Python 3 programming.py and it will say I am learning how to program. Or I can also hit the play button up top and run the program directly. All right, so now we're going to modify the function so it displays I am learning how to program in Python. So I'll copy that and let me modify the program. It looks like I've got a print statement here followed by some symbols and some quotes. Let me just copy exactly what that is. Inside the parentheses, I am learning how to program in Python. I'll save it and I'll hit run. Okay, let's check. Modify the Python programming file so it prints 2 lines of output. It prints 2 lines of output here. And change the file name to awesome.py. All right, so why don't I could change it, or I could do a save as. I'll go from the file menu, do a file, save as, and I'll call that awesome.py. There we go, awesome.py. Let's see. Okay, that's awesome. Looks like there's an extra period there. Tell the instructor to fix this. Save the modified file, execute the program. Awesome.py, execute the program. Sounds good. So, submission. We're going to paste the working source code in the assignment box and the program output. This is where it gets a little bit tricky. So let's start here. Source code, and this is my source code. I'll paste that in. Now you have a choice in Canvas. You can change it from a paragraph to pre-formatted. It'll look pretty good that way. And then I want to see the output, so program output. Oh, that's all coming as pre-formatted also, huh? Just copy all of these lines of your output here. And this one I can put it back to a paragraph. This one I'll put it back to pre-formatted. And Canvas is just so not useful here. So you could see I've got this, the output, the program. I'm ready to submit.